Hey guys, how's it going? So welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be going over a new product I bought for cleaning PC stuff, and it's a cordless air duster, and it's from the brand called Swinicle. Probably saying that completely wrong, but so I'm just gonna unbox it, go over some of its features, and find something to clean with it. So let's go. Okay, so let's open this thing up. So first thing we got a USB cord with a micro USB attachment. So I'm guessing this is what you use to charge it. You have a nozzle with a brush attachment on the end. Right there. And then it looks like we got the air duster. Oh, and bubble wrap. And pretty much here it is. And then here's another nozzle attachment. Oh, and I also didn't notice it actually comes with instructions. It was buried at the bottom of the box. Just didn't notice it. Wonder how loud this thing is. Decently loud. Alright, so let's go over some of its features. Okay, as you can tell, I plugged this in to get some extra charge out of it. So I guess we're going to start with the battery. So it says it has a 3-hour charging time. And then it also has a work time of 30 minutes. And then I'm going to guess the battery is in the handle right here. And this thing is made from ABS plastic. I don't know about this down here. Kind of looks like metal, but I could be wrong. And then it has a weight a little over half a pound. And then right here, as you can see, is where the micro USB gets plugged in. And then there's an indicator LED light right here, signify it's charging. It says when it's fully charged, it will turn off. Right here is your trigger, and it will not work while it's charging. And then here is a little storage, pretty much port where you can put one of your nozzles, just to keep it, I guess, when you're moving around. No one won't stay still. And then right here is your nozzle outlet. You can see the fan blade down in there, it's orange. You can see it a lot better over here. It says its motor has an RPM of 33,000 rotations per minute. And then it has a blow-in force of pretty much 1 ounce. And then that's pretty much it. Then you just got all your other little accessories. So I'm gonna look for something to clean now, so give me a sec. Alright, welcome to the floor cam. Wow. So, we're just going to use my air filter from the front of my PC. As you can tell, it's pretty dusty. So I'm going to take this thing and see how good it is. Yeah, I'd rather blow dust on the floor than all over my desk. So as you can tell, it actually gets pretty clean. But now I got dust all over my floor I gotta clean up. So I'm gonna put this back in and then I'm just gonna finish up. So the one thing I failed to mention before is I did purchase this off of Amazon and it retails for around $75, but it was discounted at the time, so it was around 60 some. So this is just pretty much to replace buying like those cans of air, I guess you would technically call them, or actually using my air compressor for cleaning PC parts. So this thing I should get a lot more use out of this. And if you want to purchase one of these, I'll leave the link down in the description. So that's going to be it for today's video, and I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, please drop a like. And if you're new to the channel and you want to see more videos like this, please consider subscribing. Probably my next few videos are going to be using this thing to clean my daughter's laptop, clean my PC, it's pretty dirty, and whatever else I can find PC or tech related to clean with it. So I guess keep an eye out for those. And that's going to be it. So until the next one, thanks and bye.